The next one up's Margaret Hadden, who, if you see Margaret going like that and you think she's got a bull in the mouth, she's been at the dentist today and she's had a terrible time here. But I think you're still got to tell her, she's got to tell us about her, Clint.
Now, I'm no into bum and blow, I'm sure you all ken that. But when it comes to my wee Clint, I just can't help it. Now, he's no perfect because he would be in a museum, but he's as near perfect as you'll get in West Lothian. Beautiful artist, lovely artist. Oh, his use of colour is wonderful. Oh, but you'll have seen his work on buildings and on fences and the end of buildings and in walls and in bus stops, all in West Lothian. You'll have seen his work, it's lovely. And he's a lovely, lovely actor. Really a good actor. He's going to be the next Sean Connery. He was given one of the biggest parts in the school play last year. And the wee sow forgot his words. Now, would you not think that the teachers would be pleased if a Wayne forgot his words and improvised? Not his teacher. They were not pleased. The wee sow was supposed to say, "I'm sorry, there is no room," but he forgot. And what he said was, "Oh, come on, Mary and Joseph, aye, into the inn, there's plenty of room here." Now, often and often, I've got to write a letter. He can't stick up for himself. So this is a letter I wrote to your minister. "Dear Minister, I'm writing for to ask if Oor Clint can come back to the Sunday school. Sorry for what happened at the Sunday school picnic. Clint didn't mean to be bad. He was only trying to make the picnic a success. The Waynes were all fed up with the games the superintendent was giving them. After all, races is fine if you win, but nae good to the 9 out of 10 Waynes that didn't get a prize. Seeing they were next to the woods, Clint suggested, what are we playing at Cowboys and Indians? They thought it was a great idea. Every time the Cowboys caught an Indian, they tied him to a tree. Then somebody shouted, "Oh, here's the ice cream, see you?" And the Cowboys forgot about the Indians and ran to get some. And it was only later when they saw a lot of folk running about, a polis van arriving, and Alsatian polis dogs gone about, that they minded that the Indians were still tied to the trees. As I tell the superintendent, it's only a Wayne's action to play anybody can forget, and it wasn't Clint's fault about the church steeple. Bad laddies in the Sunday school class dared him to climb it. They cried the wee sow poured the custard, and he couldn't do anything else but try. He was feared in case they hit him. My ma has already written a letter of apology to the fire brigade for them being cried out. And I hope that the wee Sunday school teacher, who nearly had a nervous breakdown when she thought Clint was fallen, is feeling better now and will soon finish with her nerve pills. And sorry for the rude words Oor Clint was singing the hymns to the hymn tunes. You see, he heard an old neighbour singing them on Saturday night, but he didn't ken the old boy was drunk, and he didn't ken what the rude words were, and he thought grown-ups wouldn't sing rude words, so it wasn't his fault at all. And the fight that he had with wee Geordie McCarthy was blown out of all proportion. Both Clint and wee Geordie wanted to be the hymn books, and it all ended with them both throwing hymn books at each other. And wee Geordie's awfully sorry he got Clint into bother, and he told me he had apologised at the Sunday school last week. Clint was deeply hurt when the superintendent told him not to come back, and if Clint came back he would resign. We think he said it at the spur of the moment, just like the disciples did when they chased the Waynes away when they came to see Jesus at Salem. And I'm sure Jesus wouldn't ban anybody from the Sunday school, even if the disciples wanted to. So can I send Oor Clint along as usual on Sunday with his collection money and his Bible?
Some of you might have thought that was a told story, I'll tell you it's true.